I have an apple. Normal size. See, fits in my hand. Red. Normal apple. Nothing strange. And here we have this apple. This is a regular size apple, and it looks like a midget apple next to this thing. This thing is huge. It's like 3 times the size. Hey, 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 apple. What? What is it? I don't know. I didn't think what I was gonna say. I just started saying, hey, apple. Hey, hey, apple. Hey, camera. What? What is it? Can you do this? I'm dancing.